Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the iPhone battery health not showing. If you are using any iPhone and your battery health option is not showing in your settings, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to try to update your software. So open settings here, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update because pending software updates might affect our health these type errors. Once you have done, you have to go back from here, and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still having the same issue. So you have to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone and check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still having the same issue. So you have to go for settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, then verify yourself and continue to this step. So after this, your settings will be resetted completely. It will not delete any type of your data. So you can easily try this, and after resetting your issue, your settings, your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you might have an duplicate or exchange battery, so you have to try to get a genuine battery for your iPhone. Or if you have a genuine battery and you're still having the same issue, so you have to go for settings app here. But very first you have to check if there will be any hardware issue. You have to check your hardware, and then you have to go for general and go for transfer reset iPhone again. Select erase all content and settings here, and then continue this step. It will erase everything from your iPhone. So very first you have to make a backup of your photos, videos, your apps data, and necessary files. And once you have done, you have a backup, you can easily do that. And after that, all of your issues will be fixed on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.